x minus a is a and x minus b is b, right? So if I multiply, so it will be sine a minus b upon sine x minus a sine x minus b into sine x minus a minus x minus b, right?
See, I'm multiplying sine a minus b in the denominator. So if you want to write this in terms of x, ये कैसे होगा? Sine of x minus b minus x
अरे
minus a.
oh, okay, you're just taking b to this side because minus minus becomes positive. No, but
Exactly, that is what I'm
a,
speaking.
अरे but a नेगेटिव कैसे होगा?
इस माइनस को ओपन करो, what will you get?
Minus x plus a.
हाँ, so we need plus a minus b, right?
हाँ. Oh,
So
okay. हाँ, okay, got it.
yes, Shantanu, what about the 10th one?
Finish.
You did this?
Yes, completed.
Okay, great. Okay, let's solve the 11th one together then. Okay. So the question is integral dx divided by sine of x minus a times sine of x minus b. So I don't know तुम लोगों ने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में सॉल्व किया है या नहीं किया है, मतलब मैक्सिमम ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में क्या होता है, we tend to multiply the sine of difference of the angles. Sine of difference of the angles. So एक angle is x minus b, the other angle is x minus a. So इनका difference क्या होगा? x minus b minus x minus a, right? So this is equal to minus b plus a. ये समझ आ रहा है? मैंने दोनों एंगल्स का केवल डिफरेंस लिया है. सो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, जो भी साइन और डिफरेंस ऑफ द एंगल है उसको मैं न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ. सो व्हाट आई गेट इज साइन ऑफ a minus b dx divided by, and for the new, like for the denominator I'm taking it as a constant. I'm not taking it is a constant, right? Divided by sine of x minus a times sine of x minus b. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, जो न्यूमरेटर है उसको आई एम राइटिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ x. सो दिस विल बी 1 ओवर साइन ऑफ a माइनस b इंटीग्रल साइन ऑफ x माइनस a, सॉरी x माइनस b माइनस साइन ऑफ a. ठीक है, x माइनस b माइनस x माइनस a divided by sine of x minus a times sine of x minus b. यहां तक समझ आया क्या मैनिपुलेशन किया है मैंने? तुमको ब्रैकेट का कंफ्यूजन है तो मैं ब्रैकेट्स चेंज कर देता हूँ. आई मीन
No, I understood. Clear. समझ गया.
ऑल क्लियर?
Yeah.
सो अब तो तुम्हें पता है ये कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. अब ये वैसा ही वाला क्वेश्चन हो गया, साइन a माइनस b वाला, जहां पे a क्या है, दिस इज लेट्स से कैपिटल A, दिस इज लेट्स से कैपिटल B. सो साइन a माइनस b वाला फॉर्मूला लगाओ एंड उसके बाद नॉर्मली जैसे हम सॉल्व करते हैं उस क्वेश्चन को वैसे सॉल्व हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सो जब भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आए ना, मतलब साइन साइन का टर्म डिनोमिनेटर में, व्हाट वी डू इज वी मल्टीप्लाई द साइन ऑफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ द एंगल्स. ठीक है. एंड गाइस प्लीज, लाइक बी अ बिट फास्ट, थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी सॉल्व करो.
So I'm getting the answer as 1 by sine A minus B log mod of sine x minus B minus
नो,
log of no
तुम इंटीग्रल किसका कर रही हो, वो फंक्शन बताओ. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ व्हाट इज गिविंग यू व्हाट.
sine x minus A cos x minus B minus cos x minus A sin x minus B.
हाँ, सो उसके नीचे डिनोमिनेटर भी है ना, sin x माइनस है sin x माइनस b, उन टर्म्स को अलग अलग भी करोगी.
तो
सो
वो
sin,
it become cot x minus B minus cot x minus A.
राइट एग्जैक्टली. सो उसका क्या होगा फिर इंटीग्रेशन, log mod, like log mod sin x minus b होगा ना, cot x minus b का इंटीग्रेशन.
हाँ तो मैंने वही तो बोला ना log mod x sin x minus B minus log mod sin x minus A plus C.
ओके, ठीक है ठीक है, इट्स फाइन देन, ठीक है.
I said that
आई थॉट
only.
आई थॉट कि पता नहीं, आई थॉट कि कुछ
No,
गलत.
I said that only.
ओके. यस, अंश एंड शांतनु, आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yep.
Cool. So like when you will, इसका फाइनल फंक्शन जो बनेगा वो मैं लिख देता हूँ, साइन ऑफ ए माइनस बी इंटीग्रेशन कॉट ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए माइनस कॉट ऑफ एक्स माइनस बी dx. इसके बाद the integration is very easy. You want me to solve after this, or you can, like, you will be able to solve after this, Shantanu?
No, you can solve that.
Perfect, nice nice, ठीक है. So let's go to the next one. सेम ऐसा ही टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, बिल्कुल सेम है. बस दोनों साइन की बजाय एक कॉस कर दिया मैंने. सो एक नोट बना के लिख लो, when we have both sine terms in the denominator we multiply with the sine of the difference of the angles. बट अगर एक साइन है एक कॉस है तो हम क्या करते हैं, कॉस ऑफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ द एंगल से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है, बस यही डिफरेंस है और कुछ नहीं. सो मेजरली इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में दोनों तरफ, लाइक दोनों टर्म्स अगर डिनोमिनेटर में साइन है वी मल्टीप्लाई विद द साइन ऑफ द डिफरेंस. अगर एक साइन है एक कॉस है तो वी मल्टीप्लाई विद द कॉस ऑफ द डिफरेंस. ठीक है, अब फटाफट से सॉल्व कर दो 12th वाला.
I got the answer, but it's still a dilemma. Like, I guess it's 1 by cos A minus B
Mm-hmm.
log mod of sine x minus A cos x minus B plus C.
No. Cos B minus C. 1 second. Oh, cos. No. What, like you got the final term as cot of x minus a minus tan of x minus b dx, right? इसका
Yeah,
integral कर रहे हैं. So cot of x minus a का integral will be ln mod sin x
log
minus a,
sine, yeah, and
and
tan ka will be log sec x minus B.
हाँ, so cos क्यों बोल रही थी तुम पहले?
Oh, I don't know why I said cos. Sorry.
Okay, yeah, ठीक है, फिर that then it is right. Okay, Ansh and Shantanu, you need help for the 12th one, or you'll be able to solve it. Shantanu, I can't hear you.
I can solve it.
You'll be able to solve it? Yes? Okay, ठीक है. Ansh?
Yes.
Have you solved the 12th one?
No, not yet.
कर लो एक बार, try कर लो. Till then, write the 13th question. So it's sin x divided by yes, Shantanu, solve the 12th one.
So the 12th question, I got cot x minus a plus tan x minus b. So okay.
Cot x minus a minus tan x minus b. Like the final function would look like 1 over cos a minus b times like cot of x minus a minus tan of x minus b dx. ऐसा कुछ आ रहा होगा.
Yes, I got that.
Cool.
Can you just show the next page for a second?
Yeah. वैसे आई गेस गाइस प्लस आना चाहिए ना बीच में. नो. cos a minus b क्या होता है? cos a cos b plus sin a sin b ना.
We are getting cot x minus a plus tan x minus b.
राइट. हाँ प्लस ही आएगा ना यहाँ पे. दैट इज
हाँ.
व्हाट आई वाज saying. ठीक है. ओके.
Sin x upon root 3.
Thirteenth one is like super easy I feel. बहुत इजीली तुमको फंक्शन मिल जाएगा जिसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना.
We just take 3 plus 2 cos x as t and then substitute, right?
राइट. प्रीति सबको आंसर बता के ही मानेगी है. आई उधर.
अरे सॉरी.
Well, you will have your pre-boards before your main boards, you know,
Yeah.
and that will
But we've
have.
got dates of nothing. Neither the pre-boards, neither the board.
Okay, and you'll have your whole syllabus coming up.
Only term 2.
Only term. Okay, and that too MCQ, or it's a
No,
subjective paper.
Subjective.
Okay.
We've got our sample papers of chemistry and physics. We haven't received for maths yet.
And like, what about your syllabus in chemistry and physics, particularly in the like this institutes?
I don't know what the portion is.
I mean, like term two may say how much of like how much part of that is done in this like Y Academy.
Chemistry में more 2 or 3 chapters are left. Maths में तो पूरा का पूरा बाकी है. और physics also we have finished 3 chapters out of 6, I think 6 or 7.
Okay.
And maths में total of 5 chapters ही है, so there's nothing big.
Yes, Shantanu and Ansh, what about the 13th one?
I'm doing it.
शांतनु, I don't know ये मेरे end से ही है या सबको शांतनु की आवाज थोड़ी अजीब सी आती है. I mean, I'm not able to understand.
I can't hear what he says.
हाँ, like I still don't get it.
I'm doing the 13th question now.
Okay, you're doing the 13th question. Cool.
I'm getting minus root t plus c, which is minus root 3 plus 2 cos x plus c.
Perfect. Cool. Like try the next one.
This is sin x the whole cube, right?
Yeah. Basically sine to the power 3x. Same thing as sin x the whole cube. Ansh, are you done with the 13th one?
Almost.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Okay, what is the final answer?
Negative of root 3, negative of root over 3 plus 2 cos x plus c.
Right. Okay. Well, how are you trying the 14th one?
14th one I did not
I
start yet.
think we do sine square x into sin x.
Acha, how will that help?
So sine square x, sine square x will be 1 minus cos square x, I think,
Okay, so
into
this will be
sin x
1 minus cos square x into sin x. Okay, after this.
dx.
हाँ,
देन आगे क्या?
अगर मैं cos x को t मान लूं
तो वो क्या?
cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा?
cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस sin x.
हाँ, तो देखो sin x dx है बाहर, उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो.
ओके.
or rather you can use the sin 3 theta wala formula. Sin 3 theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta.
4 sin cube theta.
तो वहां से तुम sin cube theta की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो in terms of sin 3 theta and like sin theta itself. So these are the two possible ways of solving this.
I am getting the answer as cos cube x by 3 minus cos x plus 3.
Okay. So इस वाले मेथड से क्या था ये वाला 1 minus cos square x. So you took like let cos x is equal to t, that means minus sin x is equal to dt by dx.
Yeah.
Okay, so this means ki like dt sorry cos square x, so t square minus 1 dt, ऐसा कुछ इक्वेशन आ रहा होगा, right?
Yeah.
So this will be equal to t cube by 3 minus t plus c. Just substitute
Yeah.
c and there you go, like you get the answer.
Yeah.
Okay,
I got like this one.
all right. Yes, Shantanu and Ansh solved the 13th and the 14th one.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, great. So the next type of question is 15th, I guess. Yeah. 15th is x to the power 4 minus x to the power 1 by 4 divided by x to the power 5 dx. So there is something called as maximum power, like maximum power, taking out the maximum power as common. ठीक है. So जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर टर्म है उसमें से मैक्सिमम पावर क्या है? x to the power 4.
Yeah.
x to the power 4 को ब्रैकेट से बाहर निकालो तो क्या आएगा?
1 minus x to the power minus 3.
Minus 3, and outside of the bracket will get only x because the whole power is 1 by 4.
Yeah.
So you'll be like, actually the function will look like x times 1 minus x to the power minus 3 divided by x to the power 5.
Yes.
Right? So this x and this becomes 4. So अब बताओ किस फंक्शन को क्या लें कि उसका डिफरेंशिएशन हमें मिल जाएगा, किस फंक्शन को हम सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं?
In this, can't we just take x raised to minus 4 को ऊपर, so it will be x raised to minus 4 minus x raised to minus 7.
I didn't get what you said. X raised to
Minus 4, we take it in the numerator as 1 minus x raised to minus 3 into x raised to
minus 4.
minus 4, and then integrated. That becomes fast and simple.
Yes, you can do that too. Works. Or rather, you can substitute 1 minus x to the power minus 3, because x to the power minus 3 का differentiation would relate to x to the power 4, like in the denominator. So वैसे भी कर सकते हो या ऊपर multiply कर लो. In a similar way, try the 16th one.
I just need to use the washroom 2 minutes.
Yeah. Yes, Anshan Shantanu. What about the 15th one?
I'm doing it.
Okay. Yes guys, 15th वाला सॉल्व करने में इतना टाइम लग रहा है क्या? अंश,
Yeah, I'm done. The 15th.
yeah, tell me the final answer.
थोड़ा weird है, but it's 4 by 15 into 1 minus 1 by x cube raised to power 5 by 4 plus c.
नहीं, 1 by 15 you are getting.
4 by 15.
4 by 15, no.
4 by
इसके
1
बाद
5
कैसे
1
सॉल्व
5.
किया?
इसके बाद wait a minute.
Are you making a substitution or like you are doing x to the power minus 4 multiply?
I did t, that t is equal to 1 minus 1 by x cube.
1
Then I did
minus
dt by
1 by
dx.
x cube. Okay, so what is dt by dx then?
3 by x to the power 4.
3 by x to the power 4. So that means like dt by 3 will be equal to dx by x to the power 4.
Sorry, what?
dt by 3 is equal to dx by x to the power 4. So dx by x to the power 4 will go into dt by 3.
Wait a minute.
Okay, and 1 minus x to the power minus 3 will be equal to like it is t itself to the power 1 by 4.
dt by 3.
देखो dx by x to the power 4 goes into
dt by 3
3.
into 10 to the power minus 4.
हाँ, तो अब इसका इंटीग्रेशन करो, वो कितना होगा?
1 by 3 bracket open t to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 upon 1 to the power 4 plus 1.
That is how much?
T to the power 5 by 4 by 5 by 4 into 1.
Okay.
1
Okay. T to the power 5 by 4 upon 5 by 4 into
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Okay. So ये हो जाएगा 4 by, okay, 1 by 3 is already there. Why are we multiplying it two times? एक मैंने एक बार कर दिया पहले multiply. So yeah, this solves out to 4 by 15 t to the power 5 by 4, right?
Yes.
ठीक है, and t is 1 minus x to the power. So this is
T
the
is
final answer.
T is 1 minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1 by x by 3.
So that is same as x to the power minus 3, no?
Okay, yeah.
So okay, try the 16th one. This is your homework because it's the same concept. So the same concept as 15th one. So 16th one is your homework. Then let's like go to the next question. Riddhi, are you back? Okay, so 16th one done. Let's go to the 17th one. So the 17th question is sine to the power 4x.
Can you just show the previous two questions? I'll write them down and do them as homework.
For the rest, Shantanu and Ansh, you can solve sine to the power 4x integral.
This too we did.
We did sine to the power 3x.
Yeah, okay, done.
Okay, how are you solving the 17th one?
I'm taking sine raised to 4x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 the whole square.
Okay, right. After that,
After that, so it becomes 1 by 4 integration 1 minus cos 2x the whole square. I open 1 minus cos 2x the whole square, applying the a minus b the whole square formula. So it will be 1
hmm.
minus 2 cos 2x plus cos 2x the whole square dx.
Hmm. So again,
And
cos
then I
square
take
2x. Yeah.
cos 2x the whole square becomes 1 plus cos 4x upon 2, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. And yeah, I'm still solving.
Yeah,
I'm
so
there.
like, okay, okay. Nice, very nice.
Yes, I'm getting the answer as 3x plus 8. No. Sorry, 3x by 8 plus uh sine sine 2x by 4 plus 1 by 32 sine 4x plus 3.
एक बार वापस से चेक कर लो कैलकुलेशन. आई एम नॉट लाइक आई डोंट नो द फाइनल आंसर. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि एक बार वापस से गो थ्रू कर लो जो तुमने सॉल्व किया है.
So my answer is not wrong or right. You don't know that.
Yeah, I'm not
Or
sure
is it
about
wrong?
it because I don't know the final answer. Okay, so yes, I have the final answer now. Yeah. So the final answer looks something like 1 by 4. Yeah, so the final answer is 3x minus 8 minus 1 by 4
3x
sine
minus 8.
3x by 8, sorry, 3x by 8 minus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus 1 by 32 sine 4x plus
Plus
c.
c. Yeah.
Right. Cool. Nice. Yes, Shantanu and Ansh, any doubts for the 17th one?
Yes, I didn't know how to proceed, how to start.
So you didn't ask me, Shantanu. See, we'll write sine to the power 4x as sine square x, or rather, okay, sine square x ka whole square, right? That is sine to the power 4x. Now what we can do is we can use the cos 2 theta wala formula. So we have cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sine square x, right? That means 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, so sine square x यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. इसको यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. फिर जो तुम्हारा I mean वापस से जो the square है, like the whole square है, उसको expand करना. So करो एक बार. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 को यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करो and open the whole square. Okay, like उसके बाद I'll give you another question, the one to follow. So integrals के लिए best thing is you practice the NCERT thoroughly. उस पे based ही question आएगा, ठीक है? So exercises and examples बिल्कुल अच्छे से कर लेना. Do you do a certain do you follow some reference for maths or not? No, you only do NCERT. Okay. So
Yeah,
बिल्कुल
we exemplar, the
Okay.
NCERT exemplar and the NCERT.
ठीक है. So integrals के लिए NCERT is very nice. Like the question quality is very nice for integrals. So अच्छे से examples and questions कर लेना. ठीक है. So I'll give you homework after every class. Make sure कि next class से पहले तुम homework complete कर दो. By the way, homework से याद आया, अंश तुमने homework किया था?
पूरा नहीं हुआ, but like
पूरा
हाँ,
नहीं
थोड़े
किया.
questions
इतना तो
हुए.
मैंने homework ही नहीं दिया था कि यार तुम लोग पूरा नहीं कर पाओ.
नहीं.
I gave only exercise 1 and 4 more questions. So that was around 27 plus 4, 31 questions. And the examples. So इतने questions तो यार एक वीक में अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो फिर कैसे होगा हमारा कोर्स, बताओ. यस शांतनु, तुमने सॉल्व किया? Okay, Riti, you are solving the 18th one, right? Any clue how
Yeah,
to
the
solve
sin
it?
x, sin 2x, sin 3x
Hmm.
wala.
Hmm.
Can I like separate like sin x? I solve sin x, sin 2x first with the
Yes.
2 sin a sin b formula and keep sin 3x अलग से.
Right, you can do that. फिर sin 3x को बाद में multiply कर देना.
हाँ.
Shantanu, are you done with the previous question?
Yes, sir.
Great. So तुमको वापस से यहाँ पे cos square 2x का टर्म मिला होगा ना? जब एक्सपैंड किया था साइन इसको 1 minus cos 2x by 2 का होल स्क्वायर को.
Yes, sir.
So cos square 2x को कैसे डील किया फिर?
So it came 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x.
By 4.
Yes.
So how did you deal with cos square 2x?
I think I did something wrong.
You have to like cos square 2x ko you have to use the formula again. Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square, like cos 2x, cos 4x is equal to 2 cos square 2x minus 1. So वहां से you'll get the value of cos square 2x. Yes, Dhriti and Ansh, are you solving the 18th one?
Yeah, it is a little long. 2 minutes.
Yeah, doing it.
Okay.
I'm getting a very big answer.
It's fine.
1 by 4 cos 6x by 6 minus cos 4x by 4 minus cos 2x by 2 plus c.
Okay, and what is the function which you integrated? What was that?
The function that I integrated was sine 4x plus sine 2x minus sine 6x.
Okay. All right. So you first took sin x and sin 2x, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. So that will solve up to, cos of x minus
Minus cos 3x.
and 1 by 2 is of course over here
Yeah.
times sin 3x. Okay. So this is equal to
So
half
it becomes half cos x sin 3x minus cos 3x sin 3x, and then you again solve both of them separately.
Okay, you first multiply and divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
So you get this as, this is dx again. So this is equal to 1 by 4. And when you solve this, sine 3x cos x. So that means sine 4x plus sine x.
Sin 2x.
Oh, sorry, 2x, right. And this solves out to minus, sine 6x.
Sin 6x, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
didn't get
And
minus, I got sin 6x only. How do you get minus?
this minus.
Oh, okay, with that minus. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
So, okay, we have to just integrate this super easy after this step.
Yes.
So it'll become 1 by 4. Sin x ka integration is minus cos 4x by 4 minus cos 2x by 2 plus
Plus sin 6x by 6.
cos 6x by 6.
Yeah.
No term for cos, right?
No.
Okay, so no term of sine plus c.
Yeah, I'm getting the same answer.
Cool. ठीक है, फाइनली इसके बाद हम लास्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं एंड देन विल मूव ऑन टू सम न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन और करेंगे. So basically the thing is you have to like manipulate the functions in order to integrate them easily. ठीक है, you need a small 5 minutes break. कुछ पढ़ाई से अलग हट के बात करें थोड़ी देर, 5 मिनट.
हाँ प्लीज.
हाँ. शांतनु, what about the 18th one? एक बार लास्ट में कंफर्मेशन ले लो 18th का and then we'll like start.
Yes, I wrote it.
You wrote it down? Like you understood what I did for the 18th question?
Yes, I'll do it again.
Okay, cool. ठीक है. So yeah, बताओ और how is your life going on?
That's the best question you've got.
What else should I ask? I mean, well,
You used to stay in Pune only, or you shifted to college?
no, actually, like I used to say I'm actually from Jaipur. So I came because of my college was opening. So I am actually right now I'm in Mumbai at my some relative place. So yeah, I belong to Jaipur and I have my college in Pune. So my college was starting on 13th, but
Jan.
due to this Omicron and all of those stuff, I'm in home again.
Sad.
Yeah, and what I was asking. Okay, how was your how did this week went?
Oh, my week was superb. I mean, nothing out of extraordinary happened. Normal routine only, but it was a good week. Happy week. No fights, no
Okay,
miscommunication, nobody, irritating. Good week.
great. Ansh and Shantanu, as usual.
Well, normal.
Karani, and I'm not able to hear what Shantanu speaks. I try hard. I've like even when I'm on my Bluetooth, I'm not able to hear.
Equal normal. Nothing audible.
Okay, okay. Ansh, एक बार तो camera on कर लो यार. I'm not like
You
I've
know,
not
your
seen you.
normal sounds like horrible.
Rithi control. Yes, Ansh. Yeah, do you guys actually speak less or you speak less in maths class particularly?
Shantanu speaks less, math, physics, chemistry,
Normally.
bio, whatever
Okay.
lecture. But me and Ansh have, conversations.
Okay. All right. So, like apart from I guess I had asked you that question before too. Like apart from this, do you do something for your extracurricular? Do you have like you are interested in painting, dancing, or do you follow that regularly?
Yeah, I mean, not as regularly as I'd like, but yeah, pretty regular.
Okay.
I want to start tennis again. I stopped tennis in 10th for 10th,
Hmm.
and then now I can't pick it up only again because of classes and stuff. Times clash.
So, how many classes do you have in a week for all of physics, chemistry, and math?
Uh, Apart from school, only TWM, which is Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay, for TWH, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
And then I have my entrance IMS BBA entrance classes, which is throughout the week, 7 to 9.
Okay. Throughout the week, that means including Sunday.
No, Sunday we have
Or
test. Sunday we have 3 hours ka test.
so you're busy for whole of the week.
Yeah. I volunteer for as a social media manager for my for a foundation.
Okay.
So that
Which
occupies my
foundation?
time. JDF, Juvenile Diabetes Foundation.
Nice. So like these type of works actually help you when you want to. I mean, if you have plans for going abroad, these type of social work they actually help you.
It just counts as an extracurricular, right? I mean, I
Right.
enjoy it, and it's just gets added to the portfolio. So good for
So
me.
in social media manager, what exactly? I mean, what exactly do you do?
So there are these events that keep coming up now. Right now, they had their 37th annual winter camp.
Okay.
Generally, these winter camps are held in Lonavala, but due to COVID, they were online. So, to promote those. Now, if it's off, like in Lonavala, everybody already knows through the foundation. But now, because of COVID, the foundation has been shut, the office. So,
Okay.
everybody's working from home. So, everything happens via social media, via WhatsApp. We have our like a
Right.
WhatsApp group. There are two, three WhatsApp groups, and then we have our Insta handle, Facebook handle, Twitter handle.
So so you manage all of that. I mean, you create the creatives
Yeah,
for
I
that.
create the different campaign posters and stuff.
Okay. Nice. Very nice. Great. So, chalo, let's do one more question, and I mean, let's shift to the new part of integration. Okay. So last question for okay, question number 19 now.
कल ठीक है ना नहीं
Okay, 1 second.
तब मैं ऊंधियो बनाता નથી
Yep. How are you solving this? सर आप हर क्वेश्चन में कुछ ना कुछ ट्रिक कर दोगे, तो इतनी ट्रिक्स तो हमारे पास भी नहीं है ना.
Seriously, I don't know how to.
Just separate the denominator.
So it will be sine. Separated denominator.
In the sense, I mean, you write this as
Sine cube x by sine square
हाँ,
x cos
हाँ,
square x.
हाँ.
So
Yeah.
I got integration of sec x tan x plus cot x cosec x.
There you go. You have solved the question. I mean, sec x tan x and cot x cosec x का integration तो मैं already पता है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. ठीक है. Yes. Anshan Priti.
Yeah, done.
Done. Okay. What is the answer? Final answer.
Sec x minus cosec x
Plus C,
Plus C.
right?
plus
Don't
C.
miss the C.
Sec x minus cosec x plus c.
Okay, great. You want me to solve this or should we move ahead?
We can move ahead.
Okay, great. So type 1 में हमने क्या देखा, हम एक फंक्शन को सब्स्टिट्यूट करते थे and we used to get the differentiation of that in the numerator or somewhere in the question and उसको हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करके dt में ले जाते थे, right? Now the other type is, of course, the name is type 2 only. So type 2, the first part is 1 over square root of a square minus x square dx. इसका इंटीग्रेशन अब हमें करना है. तो कोई बता सकता है कैसे करें? No. देखो हम क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री भी यूज करते हैं. तो व्हाट विल डू इज विल पुट x एज a sin थीटा. एक बार आप पूरे क्वेश्चन को थीटा की टर्म्स में बनाओ एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज द फाइनल इंटीग्रेशन का वैल्यू. क्या फंक्शन आ रहा है, x को a sin थीटा रखा हुआ है. डू एवरीथिंग, dx को चेंज करो d थीटा में एंड होल क्वेश्चन को बनाओ a और थीटा की टर्म्स में, होल फंक्शन को.
So it will be 1 d, d theta by root of a square minus a sine theta the whole square.
वेल दोनों तरफ डिफरेंशिएट करा या नहीं करा, देन only you will get the d theta वाला टर्म.
No,
You are writing x as a sin theta, ठीक है. You will differentiate both sides with respect to d theta because the variable now is theta. So this will be equal to a cos theta.
yeah.
So dx is what? A cos theta d theta.
D theta. Yeah.
Sorry. हाँ, तो इसके बाद ट्राई टू सब्स्टिट्यूट dx as a cos theta d theta and x as a sin theta, उसके बाद सॉल्व करो, देखो क्या आता है.
So I got a cos theta upon root a cos square whole square.
So रूट से बाहर निकालो इसको.
Yes, so a cos theta upon a cos theta.
a cos
Three
theta
theta.
upon a cos theta, right? So ये and ये cancel हो गया. We get only integral of d theta, which is what? Theta, right? अब हमको क्वेश्चन में x वेरिएबल गिवन था, x एंड a. हमारा आंसर तो आ रहा है थीटा की टर्म्स में. तो थीटा क्या है? थीटा को निकालो x की टर्म्स और a की टर्म्स में. What will be theta in terms of x and a?
Theta will be x by a sin inverse.
Exactly, sin inverse x by a plus c. So that is the integration of this question. अब तुम्हें ये formulas याद होने चाहिए, ठीक है? So dx over square root of a square minus x square अगर मैं पूछूंगा तो तुमको टिप्स पे याद होना चाहिए कि सर इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा sin inverse x by a plus c. ठीक है? All right. So this is the first part. Let's go to the second part. The second part is integration of 1 over square root of x square minus a square dx. The hint is put x as a sec theta. Put a as a sec theta. पहले मुझे पूरा फंक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ डी थीटा बताना और उसके बाद विल सी कि ओके देखो, ये हो जाएगा इंटीग्रल dx डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सॉरी ए स्क्वायर सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस ए स्क्वायर, खाली मैंने x को a sec थीटा रखा है, सो दिस विल बी a स्क्वायर सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस a स्क्वायर। अब मेरे को इधर दोनों तरफ डिफरेंशिएशन भी करना पड़ेगा, सिंस x इज इक्वल टू a sec थीटा, if I differentiate both side with respect to theta, what I get is dx by d theta is equal to sec theta का differentiation with respect to theta will be what?
Sec theta tan theta.
So this will be a sec theta tan theta, right? So dx will change into integration of a sec theta tan theta d theta divided by square root of sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta.
Yeah.
So denominator will become a square tan square theta. So this solves out to a sec theta tan theta d theta divided by a tan theta. A cancel out, tan theta cancels out. You are only left with integration of sec theta d theta. ठीक है? What is integration of sec theta? Log mod. Ritti is slipping back. See the formula. याद करो guys, याद करो formulas.
Yeah, log mod sec x tan x plus c.
So this will be equal to log of mod sec theta plus tan theta plus c. ठीक है? अभी हमारा आंसर पूरा थीटा की टर्म्स में है, राइट? थीटा तो हमने इंट्रोड्यूस करा है, तो वी हैव टू राइट आवर थीटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ x एंड a. So sec theta is what in terms of x and a?
Oh, sorry, what? Sec theta is x by a.
Okay, so that means like, yeah. So our final answer will be log mod x by a plus tan theta plus c. Abhi bhi we have theta in tan. So since sec theta is x by a, what will be tan theta?
Sec is 1 by cos, na? So
See, you can use
triangle.
this. No, you can
Triangle
directly
draw
use
करके,
this. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. डायरेक्ट ये भी तो यूज कर सकते हो.
How?
You don't know this identity.
No, I know this identity, but then again, theta still remains, right? We want to remove theta, right?
No, you have sec theta as x by a, isn't it?
हाँ, तो x square by a square.
Exactly.
So root of x square by a square plus minus 1.
Minus 1. So tan theta is equal to root of x square by a square minus 1. ठीक है? So this is equal to log mod x by a plus tan theta is square root of x square by a square minus 1 plus c.
Yeah.
और फर्दर सॉल्व करते हैं, ये हो जाएगा x by a plus square root of x square minus a square by a. यहाँ तक कोई डाउट?
Yeah. No doubt.
Well, I guess ठीक है. So this will be equal to log mod x plus square root of x square minus a square minus log a plus c.
Yeah.
अब this log is again a constant.
Yeah.
So this whole thing is again a constant.
Yes.
So that means this is equal to log of mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus a constant which is capital C.
Yeah.
Okay. So integration of that whole term is equal to log mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c.
Yeah.
Okay.
करना बाद में तो ये टेबल पोंछ लेना ना.
अंश शांतनु समझ आ रहा है?
हाँ.
I heard only not yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Next up, we have one more. I mean, we have many more actually. So, okay, I'll use it. We have integration of 1 over a square minus x square dx. Yeah. So इसमें बहुत easy है, इसमें कुछ हमको ज़्यादा tricky नहीं करना है. I mean हम कोई substitution नहीं करेंगे इसमें. हम क्या करेंगे? a square minus b square वाली property सबको पता है? वो क्या होती है? a minus b into a plus b. ठीक है. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? 2a से multiply और divide कर रहा हूँ. I'm multiplying 2a in the numerator. I'm multiplying 2a in the denominator. कर सकता हूँ? ठीक है. So ये कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा. Integration of 1 by 2a since that is a constant. So 2a को मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ क्या? a plus x minus a minus x. I mean a plus x plus a minus x. ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
In the denominator, I have a minus x times a plus x. I'll separate the denominators again. So this will be 1 by 2a integration of 1 over 1 minus x plus 1 over 1 plus like 1 over a plus x dx. ये बहुत बहुत अच्छी ट्रिक है कि मैं 2a से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ एंड उस 2a को आई एम राइटिंग इट एज a plus x plus a minus x. ओके. अब मुझे इसका इंटीग्रेशन करके बताओ क्या आएगा. Will it be first term का integration will be like this minus ln mod a minus x. ये सही है. Plus ln mod a plus x dx. ये स्टेप में कुछ डाउट है? इसका इंटीग्रेशन यही होगा. ओ सॉरी dx नहीं plus c. So log a minus log b वाली प्रॉपर्टी से the final answer would look like 1 by 2a ln mod a plus x divided by a minus x dx. Oh, I don't know, I'm writing dx again. So 1 by 2a ln mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So अगर 1 upon a square minus x square dx का फॉर्मूला हमसे पूछा जाता है तो लाइक सॉरी इंटीग्रेशन इसका करना है तो इसका फाइनल आंसर होगा 1 by 2a log mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूलास तुमको याद रखना है. ऑलराइट, मूविंग अहेड. नेक्स्ट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 over x square minus a square dx. अब इसका मैं प्रूफ नहीं कर रहा हूं, वापस सेम बिल्कुल सेम प्रोसीजर है, 2a और 2a से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करना एंड अब यहां तुम लिखोगे x minus a minus x plus a. ठीक है, सो जब इसको सॉल्व करोगे पूरा यू विल गेट द इंटीग्रेशन एज 1 by 2a log mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. ठीक है सर, इतने सारे फॉर्मूले कैसे याद करेंगे, पर याद तो करने पड़ेंगे, देयर इज नो ऑप्शन. एक और है इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 over x square plus a square dx. ये होता है 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. एंड लास्ट वाला इज integration of 1 over square root of x square plus a square dx. This is equal to log mod x plus square root of a square plus x square plus c. ठीक है, अब ये तीनों का प्रूफ तुम्हारे लिए अगेन एक होमवर्क है. इसमें क्या करना है तुमको, वही 2a से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करना है. x square plus a square में you have to put x as a tan theta. x square plus a square again यहाँ पे भी तुमको x को a tan theta रखना है. ठीक है, तो इन तीनों क्वेश्चंस का प्रूफ तुमको होमवर्क में करना है. प्लस एक्सरसाइज 7.2, एक्सरसाइज 7.3 एंड ऑल ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स तुम्हें होमवर्क करना है. I'll write down the homework. अगर किसी को डाउट हुआ तो एक्सरसाइज 7.2 प्लस एक्सरसाइज 7.3 प्लस एग्जाम्पल्स, लास्ट 3 proofs एंड क्वेश्चन इन बिटवीन दी क्लास भी मैंने 1-2 क्वेश्चन होमवर्क ले दिए हैं तो वो भी करना है. ठीक है, ऑल राइट, ऑल क्लियर. मजा आ रहा है इंटीग्रेशन में या बोरिंग लग रहा है?
समझ आ रहा है, सॉल्व हो रहा है.
That
That's
is
enough.
ठीक है, that is what I want. समझ आ रहा है, सॉल्व हो रहा है, that is what I want. मजा तो ठीक है, तुम I mean तुम और थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना तो अपने आप मजा आने लग जाएगा जब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होंगे. ठीक है, यस अंश एंड शांतनु कैमरास पे आ जाओ यार.
Are we done for today?
Yeah. You want some more questions तो हम कर सकते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
No, thank you. बस.
हाँ, शांतनु समझ आ रहा है इंटीग्रेशन?
Yes, sir.
बट विच इज बेटर, इंटीग्रेशन बेटर है या डिफरेंशिएशन बेटर था?
डिफरेंशिएशन ही बेटर लगता है.
हाँ, डिफरेंशिएशन थोड़ा इजी होता है कंपेयर टू इंटीग्रेशन. डिफरेंशिएशन में बस एक चेन रूल अगर आ गया तो हम सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, राइट?
Yeah.
Okay.